Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan pasta salad. First, select your preferred pasta, such as rotini or pen, for a great texture. Cook it until it's perfectly al dente, ensuring it still has a slight bite. Immediately after cooking, rinse the pasta thoroughly with cold water. This crucial step stops the cooking process and prevents the pasta from sticking together, preparing it for the next delicious steps. Next, let's gather our fresh ingredients. Dice up some vibrant vegetables like crisp bell peppers and cool cucumbers for a delightful crunch. Don't forget to finely chop fresh herbs, such as fragrant parsley and zesty dill, to elevate the flavors. For extra color and tang, consider having some sweet cherry tomatoes and thinly slicing a bit of red onion. These additions make your salad truly pop. Now for the star of the show, the creamy vegan dressing. In a bowl, whisk together about 1/2 cup of vegan mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Stir in 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a pinch of salt and black pepper. Mix everything until it's wonderfully smooth and creamy. This zesty dressing will perfectly coat every piece of pasta and vegetable. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. In a large bowl, combine your cooled pasta, all the colorful chopped vegetables, and the delicious vegan dressing. Gently toss all the ingredients until every piece is beautifully coated. For the best flavor, cover the bowl and chill your vegan pasta salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld perfectly before you serve and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.